Hey, Honors English 9. This is your distance learning lesson for Thursday, May 28th. We are going to start work on our project, which, just to remind you, because I know you're working on 6 or 7 projects right now, is to write a dialogue between 3 of the characters from the books we've read this year and yourself. If you'd like, you can use the author instead of the character. So for today's lesson, you're just going to choose which characters are going to participate. So on the Google form, you've got to select the 3 characters or authors that you'd like to participate in your dialogue. You must choose one from Fahrenheit 451, and you must choose from 3 different texts out of 4 possible texts. If you joined our class late or for whatever reason you missed one of the texts, that makes up your mind for you. But if you missed more than 2, shoot me an email so that we can talk about your options. Once you've selected your characters, you're going to write a brief paragraph, 3 to 4 sentences, on each of your characters or authors and yourself, giving a rough answer to the dialogue question, which is, when is rebellion morally justified? So without drawing on any textual evidence or having to do any kind of research, you're just going to write what you remember about what that character would say. So for instance, if you're writing about yourself, you would just give an explanation for what you think is the answer to the question of when rebellion is morally justified. For a book character, you would guess what Antigone, for example, might say if someone asked her when she thinks rebellion is morally justified. 3 to 4 sentences, spelling and grammar do count. There is no exit ticket for today, so you're just going to finish that bit and then you're done. There will be no exit tickets as we're working on this project. If you'd like to get started on Monday's work, you can. I've posted a link to it in today's work. And we will have a sort of synchronous goodbye on Monday, but it is not required and it's not related to the project, other than that I'm willing to take questions about the project at that time. So send me an email if you're having trouble with this project or you have questions about it, or you can stop by tutorial as always.